Welcome to sequence models. Seq-to-seq models are a cornerstone of modern natural language processing, enabling tasks like language translation, summarization, and chatbots. Let's dive into how they work and why they are so effective. So, what are sequence-to-sequence models? At their core, seq-to-seq models are designed to take one sequence as input and produce another sequence as output. For example, translating an English sentence into a French sentence. These models consist of two main parts: the encoder. This processes the input sequence and condenses it into a context vector, a fixed-length representation of the sequence's meaning. The decoder. This takes the context vector and generates the output sequence step by step, predicting one word at a time. Here is how it works in practice. The encoder typically uses an RNN, LSTM, or GRU to process each token of the input sequence. For instance, if the input is a sentence like "How are you?", the encoder reads each word and encodes the sentence's meaning into a context vector. The decoder then takes this context vector and starts generating the output. If we are translating to French, it might produce the words "Comment ça va?" one at a time. Modern seq-to-seq models also use an attention mechanism. Instead of relying solely on the context vector, attention allows the decoder to focus on different parts of the input sequence while generating each word. This is especially helpful for long sequences, improving accuracy and performance. Seq-to-seq models have numerous applications. In machine translation, they can automatically translate text between languages. In text summarization, they generate concise summaries from long articles. Seq-to-seq models also power chatbots, enabling more natural conversations. And in speech-to-text, they convert spoken words into written form. In summary, sequence-to-sequence models are essential for transforming one sequence into another, making them invaluable for many real-world tasks.